Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I will create a festive look using Rare Beauty and some of my other favorites. I'm starting with this primer from Caudalie. This is perfect for the look. It's oil-free and it's very wearable. And then I'll be using this Airbrush Flawless Foundation from Tilbury. This is full coverage. I just use a sponge to roughly blend it out. At the same time, add some extra coverage with this Bare Minerals concealer to hide my textures, dark circles, etc. Now I can blend concealer and foundation at the same time. You know, foundation is really important. Just keep blending until it's very even. Move on to the eye makeup. I'll be using Rare Beauty eyeshadow palette. I use this light mauve color for the base. I really like the texture of the powder. This color is very wearable. And then add some depth with the deeper mauve color on the crease. I like to use the long brush for a very soft and a very natural look. And then use a little of this sand color to soften the edges of my eyeshadow areas. And it makes a beautiful natural transition from my own complexion to the eyeshadow colors. And then it's the fun part. Add the silver white glitters on the eyelids. This is like a little creamy. I just use my fingertip to apply the color so that it's not smudged. How do you like this? Is it too much? I'll be using a long brush to soften the edges of different shades of the eyeshadow. But I want to make sure that the colors are not blended together. They're still in separate areas. To make my eyes really popping, I'll be adding some purple silver glitters like this. The texture is finer than the white one and it looks really dimensional on my eyes. I'll finish up with this mauve color for under eye area. Along the waterline, I'll be applying some of the powder to make a natural transition from upper eyelid to lower. And then switch back to a long brush to blend out some of the edges to make it really natural. This liquid blush is also from Rare Beauty, and I like this orangish red color, and it looks very natural for the whole look, and it's very flattering for my complexion. Apply some product on the cheekbone and blend it with a sponge. This liquid is very long wearing and the color is very natural if you blend it well. Move on to the highlighter. This is also a liquid product from Rare Beauty. And the same thing, use the fingertips to apply some product and on the cheekbones, on the nose tip, and on the chin. And then just blend. I can use my fingertips to blend the product or use a sponge to blend it really well. Or you can add a touch of glow wherever you feel like. So this is really a wearable product. I like it. Up next, I will do my brows. I use this Hourglass brow pencil. This pencil is pretty soft, so it's like highly pigmented. If you apply too much product, you can easily use this brush to brush it out to look very natural. And then before I apply mascara, I will curl the lashes. My natural lashes are like so tiny and short, so I want to make sure that every single piece of my lashes are curled. And I'll use this mascara from Rare Beauty. This product is very curling, lengthening, and volumizing. I usually apply 2 to 3 layers. I'll make sure every single lash is covered. The good thing is this mascara still feels pretty lightweight and comfortable after 3 coats. For the lips, I'll be using this liquid lip tint from Rare Beauty, and this color matches my blushes and it's very beautiful. It's matte, but it still feels pretty hydrating on the lips. But I add a touch of glow using the highlighter on the lips in the center to make it extra pop, glowy, and fuller. Okay, so here's my final look. I hope you like my new look. This is festive but still very wearable. So for the outfit, I'll be wearing a wool coat. This is my everyday look in winter. This is very minimal. I just need a piece of gold accessory like this. What do you think? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. See you next time. Bye!